In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an outdated email address from your contacts in Gmail. Managing your contacts efficiently is crucial to maintaining a clean and organized email experience. So let's dive into the straightforward steps you can take to remove an email address that is no longer necessary. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Contacts page. You can do this by simply typing in Google Contacts into the search bar and clicking on the link that appears or directly entering contacts.google.com in the address bar. This will take you straight to the Google Contacts interface, where you can manage all your saved contacts. Once you're in Google Contacts, you'll see a list of all your contacts. If you have a large number of contacts, you can easily find the one you're looking for by using the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in the name or email address of the contact you wish to delete, and Google Contacts will filter the results for you, making it much easier to find. After locating the contact, click on their name to open the contact details. This action will bring up a window with all the information you currently have saved for this contact, including phone numbers, emails, addresses, and any notes you might have added over time. Now scroll through the information and find the email address that you want to remove. If this is the only email address listed and you want to delete the entire contact, look for the More Actions icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots, and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. A prompt will then appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this contact. Confirm your choice, and the contact, along with its email address, will be permanently removed from your list. In the case where the contact has multiple email addresses and you just want to delete the outdated one, hover over the email address you want to remove. You'll see a trash bin icon appear on the right side. Click on this icon to delete the specific email address. This is a handy feature for when you're updating information for a contact, but still wish to retain other parts of their details. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can keep your contact list up to date and clutter-free, ensuring your communication remains seamless and efficient. Remember to periodically review your contacts and clean up outdated information, which helps in minimizing confusion and maintaining an organized contact list. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on managing your digital life.